just is so cool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So why you acting like a fool?
So beautiful. I like this detail. Yeah, it's so cute. Just a simple trouser top. $29.95.
Trying my best to get you up. Sometimes I feel that you're just cruel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I had a dream about you last night.
39 euros. Man, is this a dumbbell? It look like a dumbbell. Wahala for fashion. Wahala for fashion. How much is it? $45.95.
We're getting drunk at the local bar. I grab you close to my body, feeling the
Lunch is ready. Hello guys, welcome back. Man, see my face. I just got back. Came back from work. Yes. You guys saw me stop by ZARA. I went to pick up a pair of jeans. Because lately I just feel like I need a fitted jean. It's like most of my jeans are mom jeans, so I need something fitted. So I got that jean that I showed you guys, the one I was putting on. So I got it. It was $29.95. Yeah, that's basically 30 euros. I got it in size 40. Yeah. It's very beautiful. It's a simple jean though. I just love that detail. The detail I was showing you guys when I tried it out. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I also got something for Harmony. She already have this pants before, but the thing is that the one I got her, even though it's 12 years, is a little bit tight. It's too tight for her. So I had to get this one 13 to 14 years in case that one no longer fits. So she can be wearing this one because she loves this pants a lot. It's like it's not leather, but it's like a leather pants. It's so beautiful and it kind of goes with any outfit. So I just had to get a bigger one. So guys, my meal is ready. Yeah, I'm going to be having rice and stew. And just relax and watch your TV, catch up on some YouTube videos. Relax before I go and pick the kids. I think I'll be making soup before I go and pick the kids because I'm going to pick them by 5:30. Man, oops, let me pause this video. Yeah, I was watching Rachel's style where she pranked her son. Man, guys, take a look at this biscuit here. I think it's an Italian biscuit. They wrote Italiamo. Okay, Italiamo Italian style. I bought this from Lidl. So I like the biscuit a lot. Yeah, I've been snacking on this with my kids and hubby. It's a short cake or short cake biscuit. It's super yummy. It's a short cake with cream.
A few moments later.
me a sign or maybe write me a letter. I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for.
So guys, this is the meat I'm going to be using to make our okra soup. We already steamed it. This is assorted shaki beef and all that good stuff.
I know what I'm looking for.
Wait for her, guys.
My friends have told me I should move on, but I can't stop looking for clues. I'm going crazy, that's the truth. I'm going crazy, that's the truth. And crazy. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I'm not sure anymore if it's gonna get better. So why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I've been acting like a fool, 'cause I tried to get you, yes, I was just obsessed with you, or maybe not.
So guys, our soup is ready. Take a look at that yumminess. Take a look at that. So guys, I'm done in the kitchen. Yes, I marinated some chicken. I'm just going to put this in the fridge. I think later I will put them in the air fryer or in the oven. Anyone. So guys, I'm done. Dishes are done too. I did not film that part, no need. You guys have seen me washing plates countless times. So I'm just going to take a shower and relax. That's it for the vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. If you're new here, please, I beg, subscribe, okay? It means a lot to me. Please, let me look at you well, because now before I was looking at myself, so now I'm looking at you. I beg, subscribe. Bye guys. Ciao.